I don't know what happened. Oh
Go
my god.
at Joseph and
Hi.
his brother. His brothers. Ay, nandiyan akong ganahan na ship.
Magandang araw sa inyo lahat. Ako nga pala si Pinrela at welcome dito sa aking kaibigan. Ngayong araw ay nag-share ang strategy dito sa expert option na naging profitable talaga
Oh,
para
hi.
sa akin. At
Hi,
ito nga
David.
RSI
Thank you.
strategy. Pero ano nga ba ang
Thank you
RSI
for the
strategy?
super.
Siyempre, as a trader, kailangan natin
Thank you so
malaman yung mga
much.
level sa market kung saan pwede mag-switch
I'm
sa direction ng
surprised.
price sa market. At pwede
I'm so
natin
very
i-predict if yung
surprised.
market ay nasa high or low price. At dito natin pwede magamit si RSI.
Thank you so much. Guys, look what David Manny did. I'm sorry for my YouTube. Oh, no, my Patreon. I haven't made videos because I'm so busy. For now, I'm so tired. Hi. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, David. I hope you're still watching.
Of Joseph and
Ano ba? Sorry, my internet is not very good tonight. Hey, hey, hey. Thank you so much. Why it's clear in my monitor? Not clear here in the. Ano? Where do I reply here? What reply? So we're gonna be a cute. Hello, Turkish Delight. Hi.
tak tak.
No. Very slow. Bad internet, guys. Bad. So bad.
The
It's
naman, di ko kabasa.
grade 1 pagod ka. Kaya mabasa nimo.
Hindi na ko ganahan.
Sleep na. You see my son read stories learned from the Bible.
Hindi na ba mag-story ako? Pwede na ba na mag-story? Mo?
Oh,
Dalahi pa ka.
I made a story for my son. Okay, pa David. Si David. No, it's Joseph. It's Joseph. Oh my God. Joseph the ruler. I'm the teacher to my son. Oh, ruler na. Ere, gamay pa si
Pwede
Joseph.
na nagamay.
Ay, kaya akong nasandigan. Oh, no.
Okay.
Double tasking,
Ay
guys.
mga ko lagi. Kanang mga laptop mo, bra ko,